Josiah giving Dad directions how to get out of the camping spot. These little trees are the crown of thorns plant that are like the ones that they put on Jesus' head at the crucifixion. Very, very pointy, sharp thorns all over the plants. We had to chop down two of the little small bushes so we could drive through and not hit it. Okay. Trying to miss them all. Josiah's a good director here. And I'll show you there we go. And I'll show you the bushes here. I don't know if you can see it. They're really, really, really sharp, and they're all over the place. Well, here they come. They're calling for me, I'm sure. This is where we slept last night. These huge cactus trees. There's one behind them. In Mexico. This is over the mountains on Highway 23. We finally hit the flats, and this was pretty hot. It was 88 here yesterday, and then it was 50 up in the mountains, and now we are going to the sea. We have about 5 hours more, 4 hours more to the sea. We have to cross one more mountain range, and then hot sea. We're excited about it though.